Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we would like to introduce our team. We're from Group 9 from course Public Relations Proposal. Let me introduce our team. First of all, my name is Zakia. I'm from 2022 generations of University Desa Unggul Citra Raya Tengkar.
Hello, my name is Nabila Octaviani from 22 generation.
I do like introduce myself. My name is Novi Savitri. I am from 23 generation.
I would like introduce myself. My name is Najwa Salsa Naila. I'm from 2022 generation.
Hello, my name is Atri Mutia Gantini. I'm from 2022 generation. Thank you.
Why brand awareness most important?
Brand awareness is the most important part in developing a product. In building a positive image of card, it's not uncommon for a brand to provide information related to the process in a brand.
Something that is expected to attract. This is expected to attract interest for public. A brand that is developed. Not frequently a brand will be tested by the facility of criticism that occurs in the use of social media. And this is what will become the role of public relation. Public relation in handling crisis in the role of the media. One of the crises that can be raised in this issue includes the involvement of a well-known brand in Indonesia, namely Erigo. Erigo Sport are commonly known as Erspo. Erspo informed its collaboration with one of the designers in Indonesia in making the jersey design of the Indonesian national team.
Erspo is an apparel brand founded by Muhammad Sadat, owner of streetwear fashion brand Erigo.
Erspo is an apparel brand founded by Muhammad Sadat, owner of streetwear fashion brand Erigo. Erspo focuses on the production of sportswear and is the official apparel of the Indonesian national team for the next 2 years, with a contract value 16.5 billion. Some time ago, there were even related to the problem faced by Erspo as the apparel sponsor of the Indonesian national team, involving several issues related to the criticism of the jersey design, plagiarism, and the designer response, which was considered disrespectful. The jersey design went viral on social media and was heavily criticized by the public, even earning the title of the ugliest jersey of the time. The criticism highlighted the public's dissatisfaction with the aesthetic and quality of the design produced by Erigo Sport.
Fashion show is an activity carried out in a clothing fashion show.
Fashion show is an activity carried out in a clothing fashion show. This is displayed in front of a large audience, where in a fashion show there are demonstrators who will wear clothes or clothing. Demonstrator or mannequin will later walk in the front of the audience with the type of clothing model that will be exhibited. Fashion show derives from English, which means fashion or style, and show means a show that will be exhibited. Where in the organized activity, the fashion show uses a mannequin or model in showing off the brand or collection in the type of clothing.
In the conceptual event that we raise, Erspo strategy rebrand styling from media.
This event raised the concept by running a functional fashion show. This is done to showcase product in the strategy of the branding formation. The fashion show carried the theme by developing the concept of rebranding. Some of what will be displayed is taught the appreciation of a demonstrator in using clothes.
Reasons why media matters.
Social media plays a very important role in increasing brand awareness. The use of promotional
Social media platforms is also indispensable, such as Instagram and TikTok. Instagram can be used to share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks of new collections, and interact with audiences. TikTok
On the other hand, can be used to upload interesting videos that are edited in such a way that they fit into the algorithm of the public or target audience. Don't forget to use hashtags and interactive posts.
Apart from social media attracting people's attention to the brand can also be done by creating high-quality promotional materials, including videos, images, and press release to highlight the theme and purpose of the fashion show, event, and brand.
These contents can be distributed across various channels, such as the campaign website, email newsletters, and partner sites. Another crucial form of promotion to promote events and brands is collaborating with influencers or key opinion leaders or calls to promote Airspot's new collections. This promotion can be done by inviting calls to share their experiences and review with their followers. This can be done by giving calls or influencers exclusive sample products to generate buzz and anticipation from their social media followers.
This event be organized with respecting the reputation of the Airspot brand in expressing the image to the audience. Based on the cast that has been crown related to this Airspot brand, we propose an event to a fashion show that we work on as part of our goal by building brand reputation and rebranding the brand through fashion show activity by exclusively Erigo Sport clothing.
Business competitor, are you currently getting tired? This is a challenge for the Erigo Sport brand, which requires it to be more creative in creating export jersey product in order to attract customer interest in the product offered. One div Erigo Sport brand that is being discussed is the export jersey product, which is used Disney apparel sponsor for the Indonesian teams by becoming the official sponsor of the Indonesian national team. Erigo Sport can introduce export jersey product to improve product quality in the eyes of the public. Erigo Sport also has an opportunity to position their brand tighter in the fashion industry, especially sport, and also can be interest for the public to local Indonesian work in increasing brand awareness and expanding their market share to the roles of media.
An additional target audience for Airspot is people who have no interest in soccer.
The Indonesian national team that has developed at this time, there is an increasing number of people who have disliked the world of soccer. This actually makes them a new target for marketing Airspot jerseys in collaboration with PSSI in making the Indonesian national team jersey. Now, soccer fans are in demand, especially for women who have just understood how fun it is to watch football using their pride jersey.
Then the main target of Airspot, of course, Indonesian soccer fans.
The main target of Airspot is of course Indonesian national soccer fans who support and have pride in the achievement of the Indonesian national team.
For this reason, Airspot built relationship with its loyal customer, namely soccer fans.
By strengthening connections with customer and the media. This can be done by organizing soccer fan community event such as the first 100 buyers getting autograph from athletes. This activity is carried out with the aim of creating a direct and personalizing experience between Expo, the Indonesian national team, and the fans.
To manage events such fashion show attract great attention to the Airspot brand. Of course, good fund management with a comprehensive and strategic approach must implemented in such a way.
Post-event, what must be done is to evaluate and collect feedback from people
involved in the event, including guests, models, and media partners, to assess the success of the event and identify areas that need improvement. Interacting with audience on social media by sharing event highlights, taking attendance, and answering questions or comments is also a form of post-event promotional activity.
From the background, reason and purpose and goals that have been explained relate to Expo Sport. That the need to inform brand quality, building brand awareness that can be seen by the public with good quality value and brand awareness.
Create interesting and useful content because content is a king on social media. Therefore, the Expo brand tries to create content that is interesting, informative, and useful for the Expo brand's target audience. And our brand uses various content formats such as text, images, videos, and so on. Working with influencers, the Expo brand collaborates with well-known influencers, as it can help the Expo brand reach new audiences and increase brand credibility. Run paid ads can help Expo.